Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose and this is Diyosa Life TV. We have another unboxing today, and if you want to see what's inside this package, keep on watching. I don't have any makeup on today, and usually when I don't have makeup, it means I'm going to show you a skincare product or skincare products, or I'm going to talk about skincare. But today it's not going to be about skincare but makeup. I haven't done this in a while, but I was so excited for this product, I decided to do this video. It's already very popular, so I don't know how I'm going to contribute to the discussion, but whatever. Before I open this, let me explain why I decided to buy this product. Even if my skin is already a little bit better from before, hindi naman na siya ganun ka-dry right now. But ito talaga yung problem area ko. I've shown this before. The problem in this area is I always have acne. And when I have acne in that area, I often use this. If I have lakad the next day, I have to make sure that the acne is not inflamed. Ito yung ginagamit ko. This is the Oxycure Acne Clear Powder Mud. It quickly dries out the acne, but the side effect obviously is the area becomes a little bit drier. Even when the acne is not already inflamed, syempre may konting redness pa rin sa area. Before, I used to not have a problem. I would just apply my favorite concealer. Favorite concealer but not really anymore. The Clio Kill Cover. I have nothing against this product. This is currently my favorite concealer. It's the Pro Artist Liquid Concealer of Kill Cover. I'm in the shade number 2. And let me show you quickly how it looks like. So, when I use it as concealer, sakto-sakto lang. I still like this for my under eye area because it still gives a little bit of brightening effect sa under eye area. Unfortunately, because it's matte, when I put on my foundation or currently this one, ito yung ginagamit ko na base product. This is the Easy Active Skin Tint. It's an oil-free tinted moisturizer with niacinamide. This is not mattifying. So when I put this over the concealer or the concealer over this, initially, okay yung effect. But as time passes by, siguro mga after 6 hours or so, nakikita na medyo dry in this area and also here. Kasi dito din ako nagko-concealer sa my nose. Kasi minsan may konting redness. I checked out a lot of videos online and content online kung ano yung magandang base product, not necessarily concealer, na hindi mattifying. Bakit hindi necessarily concealer? Because I found na konta lang yung concealer na hydrating, and if meron man, limited lang yung shades. Somebody suggested this brand. Actually, even before I bought yung Easy, may nagsuggest na itong brand na to as na good daw na base product or as a tint. I saw this opportunity to try this brand as well. So let's open this. I bought this during the, if I'm not mistaken, 6/15 payday sale yata. This is from Get Ready With Me or GRWM by May Layuk. She's a very popular Filipina beauty YouTuber. And this line of products became a viral hit because they have like so many shades, which is perfect for Filipinas. Kasi nga naman, we rarely see local affordable beauty products or skincare products na may wide range of shades. Bought 3 products. So, ito na siya guys. Ayan, Get Ready With Me. Safe yung products. Ito yung ginamit nila. These are the 3 products. The 2 are all about that base, Radiance Tint Multi-Base product. So, these are multi-use products which you can use as either base, as tint, as concealer, depending on the shades. Beauty on your own terms. I was actually planning to buy 3 shades. So, yung shade ko na parang pada kong daily tint, and then like a lighter shade as concealer, and then a corrector. But wala na yung shade na gusto ko as my base, and wala na rin yung shade range ko sa shade finder. Hindi rin ako nakabili. So I ended up just buying a light shade. This is the lighter shade Cotton R105 Warm, because warm yung undertone ko. And then the second one is Green Beige, because Green Beige is the shade that you can use to correct if there's any redness on your face. We will know later. This is the first one. The brand is animal test free and vegan, which I think is very important because konti lang yung vegan products na accessible and affordable in the Philippine market. So kudos to GRWM, and andito yung information nila. You can see the shade there. The SRP is 399. Let's open the box. One bottle is 399 pesos for 10 ml. Ang ganda ng packaging. Frosted yung bottle. And then the shade is there. R105W cotton. See if... ang laki ng ano. Ayan. Hopefully nakaka-capture ng camera. Lagay muna natin siya dito sa kamay ko. Ooh, it's so light. I love it. Wala naman siyang smell. I think I got the right shade. I chose my shade correctly. Lalagay tayo sa ating under eye. Just one side lang para makita nyo yung difference. This is how I look without the GRWM products. So let's apply it dito lang. I didn't put on any sunblock or sunscreen or any tint. Ito lang talaga siya guys para makita nyo yung effect. So dito ako usually nag-apply guys. Ooh, it's very, I think it's medyo thick yung formulation. But, oh my gosh, grabe yung difference agad. Tingnan nyo, compare nyo guys. This one, this side is the one with the product and this is the one without the product. I love it agad. Now, the next thing I want to do, i-compare ko yung shade niya sa Clio Kill Cover that I use. So, ito yan sila dalawa guys. I just want to know if tama ba yung shade or how near yung shade sa current na ginagamit ko. Again, I'm going to be using this as a concealer, not as a base. I will still use yung Issy as base. This is yung GRWM and this is yung Clio Kill Cover. Lighter yung GRWM and I think warmer yung sa Clio Kill Cover, which is not a problem. I think okay siya as brightener. I'm not too sure how it will work to lessen the redness on my face. I think as an under eye concealer, it works well. I'll try to use it for other purposes for the redness next time because now I want to show you the next product. It's the same as the first one but just a different color. This is an All About That Base Radiance Tint multi-base. This is R07. So this is a color corrector in the shade green beige. Why green beige? Because again, I have redness in my skin and the corrector for redness is green. I appreciate the fact that it's not like the bright green one. Before kasi, when I would use green corrector, I won't say na the brand, parang minsan ang hirap niyang i-blend sa skin ko. This is also 399 pesos, still 10 ml, also animal test free and vegan. And I noticed something, there's a note here or there's a space here where you can put the date that you open the package para alam nyo because you can only use this up to 12 months. Ito yung cotton, ito yung green beige. Cotton, green beige. Now, let's see kung ano yung itsura niya ng product sa loob. Ooh, it's a little bit brownish. Beige nga siya. Ito yung itsura without the green beige. I will apply this sa right side lang din, dito sa my nose. And if you can see, my redness dito, right now. So, let's see kung makorek niya yan. And then, also dito sa my eyebrows. For some reason, palaging red ako dyan. Ayan. So, konti lang, guys. Dito ko siya in-apply sa nose, dito. And also dito sa redness sa my eyebrow ko. Let's see if it will blend well. Again, I'm just using my fingers. Nagpa-first impressions ako, I only use my fingers. I like showing how you can apply it with your fingers lang or with the bare minimum na mga tools. May sponges naman ako dito. Pero I want to try with the finger lang. Ooh, masyado yata ako maraming nalagay. Ooh, tignan niyo sa nose. Medyo nawala na yung redness. Na-amaze ako. Medyo nawala na yung redness. And then over here, I think I have to use a sponge kasi naparami. So, kailangan natin siya i-blend out with a sponge. The sponge that I'm going to use is going to be this one lang. Maliit lang. Okay, if you can notice, may difference na agad between the two here. The same consistency as the cotton shade. But I think since small area lang naman ako nag-a-apply, I should use way less product next time. If you want to see the difference between ito yung side na may product sa right side dito. So I think it's obvious naman na may difference talaga. Even without a tint all over my face or a base without sunscreen, whatever, there's already a difference. So far, I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed because it does the work that it's supposed to do. Obviously, na-correct niya yung sa under eyes ko. It looks brighter. And na-correct niya yung redness dito sa nose bridge ko. And also dito, ito talaga yung pinaka-noticeable for me. Now, I want to do both sides na. Kasi parang weird naman. If I go through my day na ganito. We will use this one, cotton shade. Usually what I would do is sunscreen and then yung Issy product and then yung concealer. So that's probably what I'll try to do tomorrow when I go out. Ang pangit ko parang sumobra yata ako. Oh no. Sumobra yata ako. And then, let's use the sponge this time. So, ito yung gagamitan ko na sponge. And, oh my gosh. Noticeable na talaga yung difference kaagad. Tignan nyo, guys. With cotton on both sides of my under eyes. And now, let's try the green beige naman for the redness. Ang problema ko dito is kasi malaki yung doe foot applicator niya. Because the doe foot applicator is bigger than what I'm used to, nahirapan ako i-control yung amount ng product na ilalagay ko. I think this is okay now. It's just a little bit over here and over here. Tonto ako sa ano na to. Sa Shopee ko lang din to binili. So if you notice, hindi ako nagwe-wear test kasi makalimutan kasi ako, guys. Hindi yan mag-prosper sa akin ang wear task. Na-correct niya yung redness sa my nose area ko and near the eyebrows. Guys, I'm so happy. Hopefully, hindi siya maging cakey as time passes by. Malalaman ko yan tomorrow when I go out talaga with the usual makeup routine that I do. So, sa ngayon, for first impressions, I'm impressed with the two GRWM All About That Base Radiance Tint Multi-Base products that I got. I have one last product to open. The last product that I'm going to show you guys is the Get Ready With Me or GRWM High Beam High Lip Shine Lip Oil. Lately, I've been liking lip oil because medyo nagda-dry na yung lips ko. I don't really exactly like the matte look anymore kasi nga nag-dry na yung skin ko, so hindi na maganda yung matte makeup look on me. And I've been using this BLK Wondermelon lip oil. And I've been on the lookout for other local lip oil products na pwede ko ding itry. When I was shopping for this GRWM Radiance Tint Multi-Base products, I saw that they have their own lip oil. This is the High Beam High Shine Lip Oil. This is in the shade Choco Fudge. Since yung current lip oil ko is reddish, I chose something brown. Ooh, iba, pareho ba? Iba na yung itsura ng packaging, of course. So this is the Get Ready With Me High Beam High Shine Lip Oil in the shade Choco Fudge. 5 milliliter. Got this for only 349 pesos. Hopefully yung doe foot applicator nito is not too big. Shucks, bakit feeling ko ang laki din ng doe foot applicator nito? Medyo malaki nga siya. But anyway, let's apply it to my lip. Usually, ang ginagawa ako is I put on lip oil and then I still apply lippy on top. The lip oil is just really to moisturize, pero sometimes wala na talaga akong lippy pag tinatamad na ako or nagmamadali. Ooh, the smell is parang candy. This is reminiscent sa mga lip gloss na uso nung like college ako or when I was younger. Ang smell lang. I kinda like it. Yeah, I like the color. I super love the color. This is the right shade of brown that I was looking for. Pag tinatamad ako, I feel like this is an okay look to go out with na. That's it, guys. I'm happy with the 3 products that I got from GRWM. Ito sila, tatlo. My first impression of these 3 products are really good, actually, basically of the brand, because it's also my first time trying this brand. This is the Radiance Tint Multi-Use Base of GRWM in the shade Cotton. Same product but different shade. Still GRWM Radiance Tint Multi-Use Base in Green Beige. And finally, this is the GRWM Lip Oil in Choco Fudge. So happy with how this unboxing and first impressions turned out. I'm not too sure if I'm going to be able to do a full review, but definitely you will see it when I'm wearing this in my mini vlogs on TikTok, on social media, and here on YouTube as well. So usually sa mga YouTube videos ko, guys, nakalist naman sa baba kung ano yung products na ginamit ko for that video. This is how I look like with just the 3 products on my face. The next set of products which I'm planning to buy, I'm not too sure yet, but I'm looking for kilay products. I'm lucky because I have kilay. I had microblading many years ago, hindi ko na siya napaparetouch, pero okay pa naman yung kilay ko without kilay products. But obviously, it looks better with nice kilay products. Currently, I'm using the BLK na dual. One side is brow cara na colorless and one side is taupe na pencil. I have read up and researched on the local brands na pwede kong i-try. Right now, I'm leaning towards Careline, Strokes, and Vice Cosmetics, but I'm not too sure yet. I haven't decided really which of those 3 I'm gonna try. I'm quite happy with the one I'm using from BLK, but I want to try it from a different brand naman. If you have recommendations, leave them down below. Let me know also if you have recommendations for anti-acne products that I can use. Local and imported products are okay, but I obviously prefer local products which are affordable and accessible. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that I was able to give you a little bit of input about these products, and I hope that I will help you decide if these are the right products for you or not. Currently, I'm very happy with all 3. And let's see in the coming days if I have anything more to add about this product. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please always be safe, always be healthy. Wear a mask when you're in public. Practice social distancing. Make sure to hydrate all the time. Drink your vitamin C. Thank you guys for watching. Paalam. Thank you. Bye-bye.